and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yaira Rose and I hope you are ready for some tips and advice. Welcome everybody. I hope you've had a good week. Today we are going to be jumping on the topic how to get rid of nausea. I know some of you have experienced this before in whatever shape or form. Everyone, I'm sure, has had the feeling of nausea. What I'm going to talk to you is what it is, what causes it may be, and also the home remedies that you can do rather than resort to medication and stuff like that, okay? So how do you get rid of nausea? So nausea is kind of like, for those who don't know, or maybe you've never had it before, it's kind of like this weird feeling in your stomach that slowly rises up and kind of like leaves you feeling hot, lightheaded, and downright uncomfortable. It's not very pleasant. I've been there. It's just a very horrible experience, especially when you bring it out. It's just something else. So nausea isn't pleasant, like I just said, and it can be brought on by a few factors, both psychologically or physically. The good news is that there are some safe and cost-effective ways to reduce nausea symptoms naturally. That is why I'm here, okay? Did you actually know, let me ask you this question, did you actually know that nausea is actually a complex protective mechanism? Yeah? Did you know that, did you? Well, there you go. The symptoms of nausea are influenced by messages that are sent to the brain because of a threat such as intestinal blockage, strong negative emotion, or toxic buildup in the body. So your brain is being sent signals to warn you something is happening down there that you need to check, okay? Nausea is the feeling that you want to vomit. Pretty much, simple as, that's what it is. It's a feeling that you want to vomit forcefully at times, emptying the stomach content back through the mouth. So when feeling nauseous, you may become pale. Some people become pale with it. You may experience cold sweat as well. You can produce extra saliva, also an increased heart rate and pulse. For me, my eyes go really red, very strange. In some cases, vomiting will actually relieve the feeling of nausea because the body has obviously eliminated the harmful substance or digestive blockage that was causing the sensation. So when it comes out, usually it relieves the nausea feeling. While medications like antihistamines, for example, can help provide nausea relief, there are also natural remedies that I want to talk to you about that can also prevent nausea. So some of which you have in your kitchen. There's a lot of things we have in the kitchen that we don't use or we don't know extended benefits of using. So we don't tend to use it when we are sick and stuff like that. For example, lemon, garlic, ginger. Woo! Those are bacterial disease killers. They are really, really good. So the first one is ginger. Ginger is one of the home remedy concoctions that you can use to relieve your nausea, okay? So ginger has been used as a nausea remedy in various traditional systems of medication thousands of years, okay? So what you need to do, you can drink ginger throughout the day. They have ginger tea bags that you can purchase. For me, I like to buy the actual root fresh ginger, and what I do is wash it. You can either slice it into hot water, or you can mince it up and put it in hot water. So many ways of drinking it. I prefer the real thing, because that gives you the more authentic, more beneficial, more undiluted benefit from that. So yeah, ginger is really good. We have vitamin B6, which plays important role in physical and psychological functions, including its ability to provide indigestion relief and produce pregnancy relief and reduce pregnancy nausea. You can take it, you can take the vitamin B6 tablets, or you can also have a look at natural foods that have vitamin B6 inside. So you could do like fish, you could do beef or liver, starchy foods like potato as well. You've got tuna, you've got chickpeas. So there's a few things that you can eat naturally to get your vitamin B to help you out, okay? Peppermint essential oil, you can have the peppermint tea or the peppermint essential oil, recommended for its effect on gastric lining and colon. So you can have the oil and massage it in, or you can have drink the tea. That's supposed to help your colon cleanse you out, okay? If you have the oil and you want to rub it in, you can rub it in the just 2 drops, the back of the neck, also the bottom of your feet, as well. That's supposed to help. Chamomile tea is another one that we drink that tends to calm us down, especially when women have menstrual cycles. It eases the pain in the stomach, but apparently it's a digestive relaxant used for various gastrointestinal disturbances, like I just said, including nausea as well. It also helps with vomiting, it also helps with indigestion, motion sickness, diarrhea as well. It gets rid of gas by dispelling the gas, soothing the stomach, and relaxing the muscles that move food through the intestines, okay? The last one I have, guys, is lemon. Lemon, it has the ability to cleanse toxins from any part of the body. It helps with nausea. All you have to do is just add water. You can either squeeze it into the hot water, or you can put some slices, slice it and put it in hot water and drink it. Another thing to do, I would suggest, is eat smaller meals. Avoid high fat foods as well. That slows down digestion. And also drink a lot of water. Imperative. Drink a lot of water. Causes of nausea. Now, chemical messages sent from a number of sources like stomach and intestines. Could be one of the reasons. You have your body experiencing an imbalance or abnormality in the bloodstreams as well. You have your brain experiencing increased pressure from the growth of a tumor. You also have emotions like anxiousness, you have exhaustion, you also have fear as well. You're also going through senses like the sense of sight, taste, smell, and also pain. You also have morning sickness as well. For example, in pregnancy, that can cause nausea. You have food poisoning, okay, heart attack or migraine. They all cause nausea as well. We have medical treatments like chemo and radiation as well that causes nausea. Nausea can actually lead to dehydration, which causes the skin to change. So make sure you drink a lot of fluids, and make sure you try these home remedies that I've just listed out to you. If you have anything else that I've not mentioned, please feel free to share with everyone in the description box below. If any of this has helped you out, please feel free and let me know. And I am going to see you guys next week. Stay blessed and have a good week, guys.